How to switch your Instagram account into a business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to change a personal Instagram account into a business account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now on that note, let us jump right into the video. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, head over to your profile icon by tapping on the bottom right corner. So simply go ahead and tap on the bottom right corner. And now from here, all you need to do is head over to your settings menu by tapping on the three lines at the top right. And once you land on the settings and activity page, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see account type and tools. This is for professionals, so tap on account type and tools. Click on switch to professional account. Now keep tapping next. Select a category with what you want to describe as, so switch to professional account. Click on OK. If you want, you could also display it on your profile. Now this is an important step where you can choose if you want to have a creator account. It's best for public figures, content creators, and artists. Or if you want to have a business account, it's best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. I'm just going to select the business account and then click on next. Now, the next step is to add your business email, your phone number, and everything else. So I'm just gonna not use my contact info for now, and I'm gonna skip all of these steps. Now here you will have to set up your professional account, and once all of that is done, just refresh your page and you'll see a professional dashboard on your profile. And if you go ahead and check on your settings menu, you'll find business tools and controls indicating that your account has successfully been turned into a business account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.